Now another option for a driveway is concrete. These surfaces also require a solid, well-compacted base to begin with, but they also depend on the forms that are constructed around that base to contain the concrete while it cures. One of the advantages of concrete is that it is harder than asphalt, but that also means it's more brittle. To combat that, it needs reinforcement. Now, some people rely on fiberglass added into the concrete mixture, but I prefer the old-fashioned reinforcement wire bedded into the slab as it's poured. This grid of steel ensures that the whole thing stays together. However, even the best concrete slab is prone to crack from the expansion and contraction that comes with temperature changes, so adding expansion joints is a must. These grooves give the slab a convenient place to crack, which will also hide the crack from view. Concrete on driveways is usually given a brushed finish or a washed aggregate finish like this one, but it also can be stamped to give it even more character. This treatment gives a slab the appearance of being created from another material like bricks or pavers. Of course, those are also options for a driveway that work well. Again, you'll want a well-compacted base to support the pavers, and you may even want to combine them with another type of surface like concrete for some variety.